To prepare for your meditation practice, find a quiet place. Sit quietly and comfortably on the floor or on a chair. Relax your body. It is important to be comfortable without any distress. Focus on present, observing the inner activities of your mind, all the mental, physical, and spiritual aspect. Relax your body, letting go of any unpleasant memories or past activities. Empty your mind and bring awareness to present. Take a deep breath. Visualize abundant oxygen going into your body and all your organs. Slowly exhale, letting go of all your emotions, such as anger, fear, and anxiety. Let go of muscle tensions and relax the entire body. Your neck, your shoulders, arms, upper back, middle back, lower back, hips, knees, ankles, and toes. You may close your eyes as you wish. Inhale. Slowly expand your abdomen, feeling the air go into your body. Exhale. Slowly contract the abdominal muscle. Remove carbon dioxide from your lung and release all body tension. Practice this kind of breath for 3 to 5 minutes. Let your mind focus on your breath, deep, slow, and smooth. You now feel the total relaxation. Take a deep breath, raise your hands and push up. Exhale, gentle move palms down. Inhale, push up. Slowly exhale. Relax the shoulders, your arms. Relax the entire body. Slowly inhale. Raise your arms, palm facing your chest. Exhale. Visualize moving energy goes to your heart and your lung. Inhale. Expand your arm to side. Exhale. Visualize energy goes to your heart and your lung. Inhale. Open as wide as you can, but not hurting your shoulders. Exhale, letting go of all your stress. Relax the shoulders, arms, and hands. Do this for 4 times. interlock fingers. Inhale, raise your arms, palm pushing up, pushing as high as you can. Exhale, relax the shoulders and your arms, gentle press down. Inhale, lifting your chi and moving chi upward. Push as high as you can. Exhale, moving chi through your body. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Practice this movement for 4 times. Inhale, raise arms. Exhale, relax the shoulders, hands, and fingers. Inhale, turn body to right. Exhale, push palms slightly right upward. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, gentle press down. Inhale, raise arms. Exhale, relax shoulders, hands, and fingers. Inhale, turn body to left. Exhale, push palm slightly upward. Inhale, bring to center. Exhale, gentle press down. Relax the shoulders. Repeat this movement for a total 4 times. Use your fingers, massage your forehead, temple, and the cheeks and the face. Massage your ears, the whole ear. Massage your neck. Massage the bottom of your scalp. Take a slow deep breath. Gather energy from the universe. Exhale. Bring energy through your body. Again. Inhale. Gather energy from the universe. Exhale. Moving energy through your body. Relax your body. Again. place your hands on lower abdomen and focus on total relaxation, feeling the balance of your body, your mind, and spirit.